Wow. Arsenal just got scarier and will win the league. Question mark. Because you have to put a question mark on a statement these days on YouTube. This is content creation, my friends. You're supposed to clickbait it. So we clickbaited it. But don't worry, Arsenal have just got scarier. Man United and Man City even, are absolutely trembling at the prospect of Mikel Merino ploughing through their midfield from the Farmers League. He knows how to plough. He was in the Farmers League, guys. Spare a thought for all the Liverpool fans out there. We will come to that in a second. Zubi do and all that. However, what is Edu cooking? What is Super Duper Mick cooking? Because that midfield, it's got everything. It's got pace. It's got power. It's got goals. It's got creativity. Defensive acumen. It is elite. There is no reason why Arsenal should not win the title this season. The backline is the prettiest backline in world football. It is absolutely amazing how pretty our team is. We've got the best looking team, the best looking manager. We've got absolute G's all over the pitch. I mean, Saka's better than everyone. I mean, come on, what are we doing here? We've got Trossard, the killer off the bench. Bosh. We've got 29 rolling around, just slapping in goals for fun. The destroyers in midfield, the options that we have. We're not here to take part. We're here to take over. Now, make sure you are smashing a like on the video. Make sure you are fully subscribed to the channel. Make sure you are leaving your comments down below. Let me know how scared you are of Arsenal this season. Let me know. Let me know if you're an Arsenal fan, how we're going to take over. How clear are we going to win the league by? Because listen, we've missed out by millimeters. Mikel Merino could just be the missing piece. And I'm super excited. I can't lie. But anyway, I do want to play this clip. I've played it before on here. But I do want to play it before we get into talking about how great Mikel Merino is. Because he is the missing piece. He is the missing piece, guys. Do check out the show I did with Rants, because we spoke about Eddie leaving the room after your defense was not in trouble. But spare a thought for all the Scousers out there from the red part of Scousland. Make sure you do spare a thought for them. One like is one wish on the video. So come on. One like is one wish for the red part of Liverpool today. Because we managed to get a player over the line from Real Sociedad. Meanwhile, they're still waiting for Zubi do. Bosh.
And Zubimendi, you have earned an enemy forever. I will be watching Sociedad games praying on your downfall, you fucking emotional wreck, you fucking pussy. You're not even a man. You should give up your chromosomes. You're not even a man. You should go get a sex change because you're not a man. You're a pussy. Spent this whole time fucking gaslighting us all to thinking, oh, I'm going to miss the mountains of San Sebastian. Fuck Real Sociedad. I hope Real Sociedad lose every single game. I hope Real Sociedad get relegated. I hope Martin Zubimendi gets fucked in his career and they transfer him to Elche in the third fucking division of Spain. I hope they never select him in the Spanish top team. I hope every single plate of food that he orders in his fucking city has a bug on it.
Not easy, is it? It's not easy, Scousers, to get a player out of Sociedad to come to your club. It's not easy, guys. Should we smoke the Scouse pack? Should we smoke that Scouse pack today, shall we? Since that video was made, Martin Zubimendi has managed to score a goal, albeit they lost, and then claim man of the match in the game they won the following week. Cheers, guys. I prefer not to speak. And we have just claimed the better player out of the two, because Mikel Merino, you can't see what Edu and Arteta are cooking, mate. You can oh, no, you can't. Imagine being a top gooner. Imagine that. Imagine that. Because all of these top gooners have watched Real Sociedad for years. I mean, they know everything about him. I mean, this guy's sensational. He's scintillating. He's scary. Oh, my God. Oh my God. Oh, wow. They're all putting their videos out. They're all noshing everything off. Okay, cool, mate. Cool. Cool. Anyway, 37 million euro package. Are we allowed to say 37 million euros? Oh, because 5 of them are add-ons. Or does that only work when we sell a player like Eddie and Nketiah? We have to count the add-ons on top of the fee. And with Smith Rowe, we count the 7 million on top of the fee. Because I'm seeing Top Gooners out saying we've sold Eddie and we've sold Smith Rowe for a combined £65 million. No, we haven't. We've sold Eddie for 25 million plus 5. We've sold Smith Rowe for 27 plus 7. Last time I checked, 27 and 25 is not 65. Then again, these mutants can't add up. They can barely spell or construct a sentence. Well, anyway, he's here and he's perfect. This zesty fan base. Anyway, Spain international Mikel Merino has joined us from La Liga side Real Sociedad on a long-term contract. 28-year-old midfielder. Not quite sure why we've gone for a 28-year-old. I mean, we have to go for the for Project Epstein, no? Oh well. Anyway, has been a vital member of Sociedad's team since joining the Basque side in 2018. In the heart of their midfield, he made 242 appearances, scoring 27 goals and assisting 30 times. Born in Pamplona, Mikel started his career with Osasuna. He progressed through their youth ranks, made 67 appearances, scored 8 goals. In 2016, he joined Borussia Dortmund, helped him win a German Cup. He wears number 23 now, by the way. He then joined Newcastle on a season-long loan after making a strong impression. He was signed on a permanent deal just a couple of months later, going on to make 24 Premier League appearances. 2018, Sociedad signed Mikel, and he has played his football there ever since. Played an integral role in their Copa del Rey win in 2020 with Martin Odegaard. We're going to get that saucy link up in midfield. Yay! The only trophy Martin Odegaard's ever won. Just saying, fouled wonder kid and that. So just finishing the Scouse pack. It's very good. Anyway, he's been called up for his country 28 times. 28 appearances for his country. At youth level, he won the under-19s championships. In 2015, the under-21s. Silver medal, and he also won the Euros this summer. Anyway, he was part of the squad that won the Nations League as well, beating Croatia on penalties. Part of the squad, so he didn't play. Okay. Anyway, let's see what Don Edu has done, because he has been cooking this summer, guys. He's been cooking. We are so happy, more than you believe. So I've completed the transfer for Mikel Merino. To have another great team effort from many people at the club to finalise the transfer of a player who attracted interest from a number of clubs. Mikel was a key target for us this summer, and we identified him as a player who can fit perfectly into our squad and profile. Kick that word out of football. But Mikel likes profiles. What, Grindr? No, I don't know. Insta? OF? To improve us as we aim to build our squad performances from last season. With Mikel's arrival, he brings us an added high quality of experience, physicality, athleticism, and we look forward to the season ahead. We welcome Mikel and his family to the club and look forward to seeing him play. Mikel, not him, the manager, said he is a player who will bring us huge qualities with his experience and, you've guessed it, versatility. Another word that he's kicking out of football. You mean he can play in multiple positions? He has played at the top of the game for both club and international level for a number of seasons now. Mikel will make our squad significantly stronger with his technical abilities, together with his strong and positive character and personality. We all saw him in the summer. Mikel is also a winner. Yes, we did see him in the summer. 59% pass accuracy. 76% all season at Sociedad. Hopefully that goes up. Otherwise, we're doomed. Anyway, he helped Spain win the tournament. We're delighted to welcome Mikel and his family to the club and start working with him. Mikel will wear the 23 he will immediately join up with his teammates at the London Colney Stadium. I'm not saying that training ground name. It's London Colney, lads. Everyone at Arsenal welcomes Mikel. What has Mikel said? Mikel has promised to the supporters. Here we go. I think it's a big part of my game that shows the character I have. Because he's won more duels. Here we go, the duels. He won more duels than any other player across the Big 5 leagues, 326. And speaking in his first interview, he said he can't wait to bring those qualities. I think it's a big part of my game that shows the character I have. I want to fight for every ball. And this is something I learned when I was really young. Maybe you can win it or you won't. I'm not promising I'll win every duel. But I can promise I will fight for every ball with 100%. It's always tough to talk about myself in these kind of terms. But I think I'm a hard worker and I want to call myself a good teammate. I like to work with a team or without the ball. I'm always thinking about the collective aspect of the game. I like to play with the ball. I have Spanish culture of football. Yeah, but it's a farmers league, mate. Has nobody told you this? Why are we signing farmers? Anyway, 28-year-old spent the last 6 seasons at Sociedad, blah, 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 blah. He's got a good experience and he's played with Newcastle. He said, I think it'd be massive because of how tough the league is. You come in as a new player, he added. Maybe you don't realise until you try it. But now I have the idea of how the league is and how tough every game is. Obviously, talking with teammates or ex-teammates who are here, I know the high standard of the league. The standard's shit, mate. But anyway, sounds good. You have to win every single game. Well, you don't, mate, because no matter what, you'll get sucked off by our fan base anyway. So there we go. I have little idea of the stadiums, the teams, the atmosphere you're about to expect. It's always, if you have a little idea, it's always an advantage. Knows a few of his teammates. He played with David Raya in the national setup. He's obviously previously played with Odegaard and Kieran Tierney. We exchanged some messages a few days ago. Our new number 23 said he told me he was really happy for me to take the next step in my life. Blah, 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 blah. This is just a load of waffle. I wouldn't move to the club that are not aligned with my desires. What I want to do, I want to win. I want to grow and fulfill my dreams. So it was a dream to play for Arsenal then, yeah? Okay. I've spoken to Mikel Arteta and he's told me the way we work. And I love the way of the working as well. This is a load of gobbledygook, mate. So I think we're a perfect match. I love doing what I do and I hope everything goes well. The thing that inspires me a lot is keeping on doing it. They're keeping the hunger. They won't give up and they want to come here and help achieve their goals. Obviously, they have an amazing team and squad. I can see amazing facilities, amazing staff around them. So I think it's the best mix. Hopefully this year we can do big things together. Fantastic. Fantastic. Hopefully, sadly, I watched that league. Unlike all of the top gooners who are noshing him off. But let's hope he performs better for Arsenal than he does for Sociedad. Let's just hope that. Because I'll be honest, he ain't all that. But it doesn't matter if he ain't all that. Because no matter what happens, it's a free pass at this football club. And it has been for, well, since this lot won a title. You can drop stinkers. They'll make excuses. There'll be compilations out. He's the new shiny toy. They're going to unlock Martinelli down that side with Calafiori and Zubimendi. Zubi with Mikel Merino. We should have actually signed Zubimendi if I'm being completely honest, but there we go. Or we should have signed Alex Baena from Villarreal and put Odegaard in the number 8. But what do I know? Listen, these are the people that are getting paid to make these decisions. So I'm going to hold them accountable if they don't work. And that's how it should work. Everyone gets held accountable in life, apart from Premier League football managers, Premier League players, and Premier League hierarchies. So listen, hopefully he does well. He's not a shit player. Yeah, but he ain't the player that I think a lot of people have conned themselves into thinking. Yeah, he's all right. But we need better than all right if we're going to overtake Man City. Yeah, because they've just signed Gundogan. Is he better than Gundogan? No. So it is what it is. Listen, I'm not going to be too negative about it. However, the players that were available this summer, he weren't on my list and he weren't on anyone's list. Let's just be real with it. But now we've got him. We've got to just back him. No, you don't. How about you show us what you can do in our club, yeah, on the pitch and win us major honours? Then you get all the backing in the world, mate. Pause. That's a hard pause. Well, listen, bless up to everyone who's locked in. Let me know your thoughts on it. I know a lot of you guys that watch my channel do watch La Liga. I don't think he's that great. He's their third best midfielder at Sociedad. Brace Mendes is better. Zubi is the best of the lot. So it's a different team, different manager, different formations, setups. We obviously dominate most games. So fingers crossed he does all right. And I hope he does all right. But at the same time, yeah, we could have done a lot better. And not only this as well, yeah. He was in the last year of his contract and we're paying 32 million euros for this guy, which is about 27 million, 26 and a half. Plus the add-ons. We've got to put the add-ons in because obviously you put the add-ons in when we sell players. So 37 million euros. So we've paid 37. We've paid about 30 million quid for a geezer in the last year of his contract at 28 years old with no resale value. Well, I thought we'd change the model, guys. I thought we'd change the culture. Yeah. So listen, on paper, it doesn't excite me one bit. However, the game is not played on paper, people. So hopefully, fingers crossed, he smashes it and we win a title. But yeah, I don't think so. But prove me wrong. Prove me wrong and I'll shut my mouth in it because until then, I ain't shutting up. Yeah, this football club needs to start winning stuff. So win me something. Any trophy this season, win me it. But yeah, bless up to everyone who's locked in. Hopefully you all have a wonderful evening. I'm back on the other channel with Dave. We're going to do a Barcelona hate-along, although it's a love fest for Lamine Yamal, a proper footballer. Don't take him time. He's just turned 17. What phase is he in? Oh, he's in phase I'm a proper footballer. Anyway, do leave a like on the video. Do subscribe if you're new. And, oh my God, Arsenal just got scarier. And we will win the league. Question mark. Bosh. Make sure you leave your comments down below. Let me know your thoughts. Like I said, I've watched him all season. So, listen, I'm not the oracle. But at the same time, when I've had a massive body of work of watching this guy all season, yeah, I'm dubious. I can't lie. But anyway, hopefully he proves me wrong in it. We're out. Laters.